Hello, my name is Mary. Today I'm going to guide you through the first tutorial video. During this tutorial, we will briefly give you an introduction to our health, safety and environmental management system, also called 4HSE. 4HSE allows you to manage HSE or EHS related questions for one, or in case you are an HSE consultant, more companies on the same platform. A wizard will guide you easily and quickly through the configuration process of the HSE management system for your first health and safety management project. This is for HSE. When accessing one of the features of the platform, you will always find a tutorial similar to this one. At this point, you can choose between following the instructions given in our tutorial or simply proceed on your own. As you can see, the application immediately presents a desktop environment similar to that one of your computer. Basically, it is divided into three sections. The desktop, as you can see, is red. The support area is yellow. Application bar at the bottom of the screen indicated by the blue color. In the support area to the right, you will find two useful elements for the HSE management system. 1. Suggestions. Here you will receive notifications regarding all kinds of activities that require your special attention. Examples could be a training expiry of an employee or a personal protection equipment not yet delivered. When clicking on it, 4HSE will guide you to where the missing information can be entered. 2. Below you find another section called Contextual Help. Basically, it is a fast guide online help for the situation associated with a specific state or context. On the application bar at the bottom of the screen, you will find the menu functions to the right as well as to the left. Let's have a look at the right side functionality, that one with a small man icon. This menu has 4 basic features: create a new project, change password, preferences, and exiting the application by logging out. To start working on your 4HSE platform, click on the icon on the application bar at the left side bottom of the page, showing the platform 4HSE logo. As you can see, a menu with several features appears. You will find a very helpful feature which I definitely suggest you to use at the beginning of any project you create. Click on Projects, More. A list of your projects will appear, but most important of all, it is possible to create a shortcut to your desktop by clicking on the special star icon. In this way, you can directly access your projects from the desktop without opening the taskbar. Now we have our project direct on our desktop. Let's open it by double-clicking on it. This is the typical navigation screen that you find within the 4HSE platform. At the left side, you'll find a bar with the various features highlighted in yellow. And on the top, you'll see a bar permitting us to interact with recently filled in data such as new, delete, update, search, import-export in CSV format, history. Everything is highlighted in green. Right now, obviously, we can only see a white screen and we cannot interact with any data. So to be able to do this, we have to open a new project by entering one or more locations. Then, how do we enter a location? Click on the Enter button at the section Locations. Enter all required data and remember that the mandatory fields are marked with a red star. Click on the Save button. Now we have created our first location. Then let's study our security project. If you still have the screen with the locations open, you can see that the left side menu has changed. By double-clicking on the location, the section appears where you can enter the following details regarding human resources, material resources, work phases, safety organizational chart, actions, events, planner, documents, and info. Inside every project, we'll have to enter all the persons. Go back to the screen Project, choose the section People. Click on the Add button. Here you can choose to add a new worker or an external person, an outsider. We just have to remember to consider every person with a task inside the company a worker, except from external health and safety managers and occupational doctors who are considered outsiders. We go ahead adding a new worker or outsider, and then we click on the Save button. Also here, it is possible to modify the personal data of each person. By double-clicking on the person or on the box with a small arrow, the details of a person will appear. Locations, material resources, work phases, risks, safety organizational chart, actions like PPE or training, and planner. We thank you for your kind attention in this our first tutorial video, and we look forward to seeing you again on tutorial number 2.